Water heaters usually last around 10 to 12 years. When it gets closer to the 10-year mark, you may see signs of water corrosion around the water fittings and water spots or water stains coming down the water heater. If you're getting closer to the 10-year mark of your water heater and it hasn't gone out on you yet, keep an eye on it monthly just to make sure that you're not having any active leaks that you're not seeing from inside the house. And be prepared to replace your water heater.